There are three major things that can guarantee success story: attentiveness, prediction, and effectiveness. Be attentive to the client, read and analyze the data, plan and perform effectively.
It takes you several steps in order to form a hypothesis. Firstly, decide what you're going to test: new audience, new creatives, geography. Secondly, define the marketing channel you would like to test your hypothesis on: Facebook, Google Ads. Next point is to set up certain metrics and KPIs which will help you to analyze the results of the test. And the last point is to set up time frame, the day of the beginning and the day of the end of the test.
The conversion shows how advertising and product respond to originally set goals of the business. To increase conversion from installation to purchase, you should create high-quality, relevant ad. Particular attention should be paid to the creative. It's also very important to keep track on channels that bring you more conversions and to cut off that bring little or none at all.
We need analytics in order to understand how to use our funds more effectively, to increase traffic volumes. You should understand that analytics is the most important part of our job, because only because of it we can understand how to make our work more effective. It's a great work with a large amount of information. The best way to gather the necessary info: make tests. It's the most important thing. And after that, check all campaigns and evaluate the number of clicks, audience reach and engagement, number of impressions, cost per click, install, action, and the most convertible gears, and thereby determine which approach work best. I can give you some advices that I think will help you. First of all, carry out as many tests as possible at different time intervals. Sometimes a potential lead needs time to make a decision, so in that case it's better to stop campaign for some period. Make tests in different ways to find the most successful result. Make tests among different segments of the users you work with to understand which audience converts best. Make tests with different traffic sources and different geos to compare the activity of audience. Even failed test provides valuable information. Sometimes there is the only way and chance to collect the necessary information, and it's very useful for you in working not only with this offer.
Identifying the target audience is the foundation of a successful performance marketing campaign. How to understand who a real target user is? Well, to a large extent, this understanding is based on experience gained in the process of promoting a mobile app. Clearly, before the launch of any campaign, there is an initial image of a potential target user. It can be defined by asking simple questions. What is the app for? Education, travel, shopping, communication, sports, etc. What tasks does the app solve? Who is willing to pay to use it? By answering these questions, one can create an image of an average app user, which will be more clearly defined later in the process of testing various hypotheses and analyzing the data.